everyone, my name is Aman Rashid. You're watching Mr. Phone and this is the all new Redmi watch. Now before I go ahead and dive into all the details about the Redmi watch, stats show that a lot of you amazing people who watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. So if you love what we do here, then consider hitting that red subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops on the channel. With that being said, let's get started. In terms of design, the Redmi watch looks very neat and every bit premium, boasting of a squared off make, a 2.5D glass up front and a good quality plastic construction that comes with a soft matte texture. There's just a metallic button on the side that allows you to enter the menu or go home from any sub menu. More on that later. Now turn the watch around and you'll find the heart rate sensor in the middle, Redmi branding and a couple of pins for charging. Onto the straps. So these are silicone straps. They are very soft to the touch and are fairly easy to remove. So this is the Redmi watch in the ivory shade. That is the watch case and the strap. The watch case also comes in two more color options, that is black and blue, along with three more colors for the straps, that is black, blue and olive. In terms of fit and finish, Redmi has done a fabulous job with this watch. It feels good when you wear it. It is lightweight. It doesn't feel cheap at all given the affordable price tag. And what else? It is a good looking smartwatch, guys, without a doubt. Full marks for design. Now onto the display, you get a 1.4-inch LCD color panel and it is a bright display, no doubt. It is crisp. Redmi claims it can get bright up to 350 nits and I've had zero complaints with the brightness levels on this thing. However, bezels are thick and I won't deny that. So my suggestion would be to always stick to a dark themed watch face, because any light themed watch face would reveal the bezels around, which doesn't look good in my opinion. Speaking of watch faces, you get over 200 of them that you can access in the Xiaomi Wear app. Now let me show you how to set up the Redmi watch. You'll need to install the Xiaomi Wear app if you're using an Android smartphone, or the Xiaomi Wear Lite app if you're using an iPhone. Once done, make sure you are logged into a Xiaomi account. Create one if you haven't already. Next, hit Profile, tap the plus icon, tap Add Device and tap Redmi Watch. Now on your watch, long press the side button. Tap reset and bring the watch closer to your phone and make sure to turn on the phone's Bluetooth. So follow the on-screen prompts and your watch will be set up in no time. Operating the Redmi watch is very simple. Swiping left or right reveals a list of widgets. Swiping from the top reveals the notification bar and a swipe from the bottom reveals quick toggles. To go to the menu, you press the side button and it is a two-page menu, so there's that. As for the touch response, I think the watch is very responsive whether you are scrolling or tapping, so no issues for me here. Now performance-wise, the Redmi watch is a decent offering in terms of heart rate tracking. Here's a quick demo of it in comparison to a pulse oximeter. Now many of you could be disappointed that the Redmi watch does not offer SpO2 monitoring, something that is there on the Amazfit BipU, a close competition, and that one costs about 4,000 rupees. Now I do feel that having SpO2 monitoring on this watch could have made it more enticing to the end buyer, but yeah, maybe next time. Besides this, the Redmi watch can also do sleep tracking, and in my experience the numbers have been pretty accurate, so no complaints here as well. Now I'm not much of a workout guy these days, but if you are, then do note that the Redmi watch offers 11 sport modes. Once again, this is very less in comparison to Amazfit BipUs that offers about 60 plus modes, but maybe Redmi could add more via future software update. We'll have to see that. Moving on, the Redmi watch is also 5 ATM certified, which means it is water resistant to up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. So sweat or those little splashes here and there shouldn't be a problem at all. Apart from this, the Redmi watch can also show you incoming notifications from your smartphone, but don't expect much here. You can't interact with them, they just show up. Although the vibration intensity on this watch is strong, which makes sure that you don't miss your morning alarms or those important phone calls. Other features include weather check, music control, air pressure detection if that matters, step count detection, and guided breathing. Now, as for the battery life, at the time of recording this video, I have already used the Redmi watch for a complete charge cycle, and during this time period, the Redmi watch lasted me for a little over 5 days with about 5% battery left in the charge before I had to again, charge it from 0 to 100 so that I could record this video for you guys. And by the way, a full charge took me about 2 hours using the 5-watt charging brick that came with my Apple Watch Series 6. So Redmi claims a battery life of up to 10 days, but as I said, in my case, I've only been able to hit 5 days on a single charge. Now this could be for a variety of reasons. In my case, I had the watch notifications turned on. I had set heart rate monitoring to auto check every 30 minutes. I had also turned on heart rate alert. Raise to wake was on. Auto lock was set at 20 seconds, which is the maximum. And the brightness on my watch was constantly set to level 4 out of 6 instead of auto brightness. Now, as I said, that Redmi claims a battery life of 10 days, and despite my usage patterns, I still think that I should have been able to hit 7 days. I think that would have been a sweet number. But 5 days on a single charge sounds a little underwhelming. Anyway, I'll keep on monitoring the battery details, and if I do come across any improvements, then I will surely share all the details on my social handles. So make sure that you are following me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. So should you buy the Redmi watch? For a price of 3,999 rupees, there's a lot to like about the Redmi watch. Of course, I would have loved to see SpO2 monitoring here, but Redmi decided to skip the feature because of its inaccuracy. Nevertheless, it's a good smartwatch that you can consider buying on a budget. It is functional and it definitely scores high on looks. Although do watch out for the battery life. I mean, it was not a big deal for me to charge the watch after 5 days, but if you want that advertised 10-day battery life, I am not so sure whether the watch can hit that number. Definitely not if you are a power user. And yes, if you're interested in purchasing one, the Redmi watch goes on sale via Flipkart and me.com from May 25 onwards. And that was my review of the brand new Redmi watch. So what do you guys think about this one? Share all your thoughts with me in the comments below. As always, thanks a lot for watching this video, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe.